The last thing we're going to do in this video series is we're going to show you how to do some snapshotting of data stores. So as you can see, I already have a Lightbits data store. And then within the Lightbits instance, I'm going to list the Lightbits volume using the Lightbits jot that I can also grab from the secrets of the key vault. You can see that my volume's there, the LBDS00, which is the same as my data store. And to create a snapshot, I'm going to run lbcli, give my jot, create snapshot, give -- name default. I'm going to give my snapshot a name with -- name. And then I'm going to specify the source volume name as my data store name. At this point, you can see that we return that the snapshot is creating. And if I do an lbcli list snapshots and make sure to give my project name being default, you can see that my snapshot is already available. Now I'm going to upload a random file. It's just a putty file, just so I have something within this data store. Could be full of VMs or full of files. But now I'm going to create a second snapshot. The only thing I'm going to do here is change the name to snapshot1. And I'm going to wait for the snapshot to be created. Should take a couple of seconds. There you go. It's now available. And from here, what I can do is I can restore a snapshot. And to restore the original snapshot, I do an lbcli rollback volume, give the project name being default. And then the next thing I'm going to do is give the name of the volume that I want to restore to. And then I give the source snapshot name that I want to restore from. And my source snapshot name would be the first snapshot I took, snapshot0. And when I press enter, if you look at my vCenter, putty, when I refresh, will disappear. So you can see I've restored to my original snapshot state. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll back the volume to the second snapshot, which has putty added to it. And you can see after a refresh again, I instantly see putty appear. And that's how you take snapshots and restore with Lightbits in AVS with lbcli. Please note that this was a quick demonstration about how Lightbits snapshotting works. But if you have real VMDKs and live machines on the data stores, we recommend that to recover data, you just use a cloned data store and then vMotion or replicate the data across.